beautiful sunny Saturday, and we're going. This nerd's gonna buy a car. Well, he already gave him money. We haven't seen the car yet, so we're gonna go take a look at it now. Hopefully it's not a pile of shit, and we're gonna buy it, and we're gonna drive it home like an hour and a half, and then he's gonna daily it, and he's gonna tear this thing apart or whatever. I don't care. Yeah, now we have a long drive. It's early. It's annoying. Road trip. That's better. So, I'm gonna get the paperwork in order. I'm already driving the Clio that we came to buy, and we have the ricer in the back, and hopefully everything goes well. It's a decent car. There's like some stuff missing. We're gonna go over that. It's completely OEM. Look at this radio. This is so OEM, it hurts. So, just a little drive, and we're gonna talk about it later. Here, this guy already fueling it up. Clio 1.6 16 valve sport. It's got the wheels. It's got a little fade here and there. It's alright. It emits some blue clouds sometimes, of course. It's got like 226,000. Everything else is pretty standard. It's got the sport seats, like the nicer steering wheel, I guess. That thing's broken, and yeah, everything is pretty much OEM. It has a CD changer in the boot. We're gonna show more later when we get home. Right now, just fueling up. Oh look, Chinese people. You know where we're at, boy?
Obviously.
Nuggets.
Give me.
I need wings.
No.
Wings and nuggets. We eat this shit, then we go home. Work on the car. I guess. Clean or whatever. So here it is, safely back home. There's a few things I noticed in the 100 kilometers that we did. Mainly the brakes are shot. There's like an annoying rattle here. He said it was a like end link, whatever. But otherwise, not too bad. The gauge is weird when you're driving, like the speedo goes like that for some reason. And of course we also picked up a brand new radio, because, well, the OEM radio, it's kind of shit. So now we will jack it up, check what's broken.
Let's see what the brakes look like now. Oh Jesus Christ! Everything is
It's a bit greasy.
it's greasy, yeah.
Interesting.
Okay, so I think a deeper look into the car. We have some Italian papers. Since this car was imported from Italy, everything else you need. We're currently trying to figure out how to remove the old radio, since we got a new one here, beautiful. We're just assuming you have to stick something in these holes to kind of release it. And we'll try to do that now. Ooh, very nice. I just hope there's no mess behind it. Oh, and sweet lord, it's actually not.
It's all OEM.
It's actually fucking clean. Wow, I'm legit impressed, because this doesn't happen ever, like ever. If you saw what they did to the back speakers, like this is wow. I'm really impressed. Okay, so the radio is now fitted. Everything is working except the antenna, so we can't listen to the radio because we don't have the correct plug-in. But the USB works and Taylor Swift as well, so it's a very good record. You should check it out. So this car really can go anywhere. So
We're in the forest, dude.
it's nice. It's nice, yeah.
Going back through the trails.
Oh!
Oh,
Oh,
that was hella muddy. Oh, it's good.
Oh fuck. Okay, that's nice.
That's a tree.
Best feeling ever!
Yeah, the wonderful thing about the daily is you can blast Taylor Swift, you can drive it around the forest, zero fucks
You
given.
don't have to care about holes or rocks or anything.
Just drive.
I like this car. You can do this. Woo!
Just like, oh, there's rocks there, no, so who cares? It just floats over it. This is some Cam Block shit right here.
Woo!
We took the RS once on this road.
Whoa! I mean, it's 1.6 liter, but it goes like
It's a 16 valve from a Megane, so it's pretty good.
Oh my god!
No problem. This is mint.
I mean, it's still OEM, it has to be lowered already then.
Yeah.
So in the corners, it's really fucking sketchy. Oh.
It's absolutely completely stock. It has fucking huge tires on it. It's like a 75 tire or something. It's ridiculous. And the brakes are really bad. They're like terrible.
I can press it now. It just doesn't.
Yeah, it like goes down and then at the end there's like gravel. But it's terrible. Needs some brakes. Needs new sway bar links.
Yeah, that's
And
pretty much it.
we're done. Radio works. Oh, that was a big hole. Fuck.
I hope I know where I'm going because I have no idea where I'm going.
You can just turn around in the bush.
Yeah. Definitely.
Oh,
brakes
what a
don't-
hater.
Definitely brakes don't work at all. So yeah, we will just.
We made them angry.
No one gives a shit, dude.
They're like really confused why the Clio.
Why is there a Clio in the woods?
Just randomly. Fuck them.
So yeah, skip. Oh! Oh! Thank God I don't give a shit.
Let's not try to do ditch. Oh, that was really bad. I was waiting for that.
Huh?
You just turn around here.
Forgot about it. Yeah! Turn around.
No,
there.
there.
Nani,
It's
no.
fine. It's fine. You just turn it around. Like there.
If you get stuck, I'm gonna kill you.
Just reverse it up. It's gonna be fine.
But yeah, I like it. Very much, it's good.
See, no problem. What's the big deal? Can't block up in this bitch.
Oh my god, so much fun, dude! I mean, the RS is fun. I still prefer it over this one, but you can't go and do this in this car. It just doesn't work. You know? You just can't do this shit.
No more skids.
That car, you know? Oh fuck.
Oh, we fucked the branch.
For example.
Yeah. Oh,
The terrible smell.
yeah. It's good.
I like it, it's a bitter, I like it.
I'm gonna go take some photos. We're gonna clean it, maybe, whatever. Just screwing around.
Yeah, exactly.
Let's do our test of off-roading. Quick wash. It's mint, so I'm gonna do some touch-ups, interior detailing, whatever. Make it nice. And that's it. It's mint. What's this?
Yeah.
It's a package. I wonder what it is. We totally don't know.
They just might fit this one, and since we do a lot of railing, I mean, it seems like we're gonna do a lot of railing. This wouldn't be a bad idea at all. So
Maybe it's gonna work.
you're gonna make this fit, and I'm gonna clean the car.
Sure.
Oh my god, barely gonna hit the hole, dude.
That's good.
Yeah, but yeah, it's a nice touch. Let's be honest there. It's a nice touch. So after this, we're gonna be ready to go into the woods again. So yeah,
3 more.
but they're coming along nicely.
This is what we're doing right now. Putting the last mud flap on, and we're trying to get the wheel lining off because, like, the fender is cracked. So we're just gonna drill through, do some JDM zip ties, some stitching, and now we're trying to get this off. And it's kind of
It doesn't work.
so man. Guy just straight up drilled through these fenders, dude.
Oh no!
Oh my god.
It's kind of the same.
Oh my god. It's not even funny.
Where is it?
Okay, it's there. Okay, wait. Wait.
What the fuck? Oh!
Vad menar du inte där?
Wait. It's fucking. Oh!
Drill stitching, we also put another one down there, so it just tightens it. And it's mint.
Yeah, if this could go in, it would be mint as well.
Just slam. Finished product. Put these ridiculous flaps on. Such a rally car now. Yeah, they're really ridiculous, but whatever.
So today I'm gonna be working on this car instead of the RS. I got new brakes. Fuck shit. I got new brakes for the front, new discs and pads. Well, whatever. New brakes for the back part, also new stabilizers for the front because mine are kind of destroyed. So those are the plans for the day. Just need to compress the piston with a screwdriver a little bit, all the way in, like so. Oh my god. And then there's just 2 bolts for the caliper and 2 bolts for the disc, and then it should come off pretty easily. There's always that one bolt that won't loosen up, so YOLO. Aye. Oh, there we go. The disc is off and that's it, kinda for the brakes. We just need to clean it and put the new parts on. Steering stabilizer, there's 1 bolt that goes through here and the bushings are fucked. Oh yeah, we are home. We got the crowbar we needed. Oh, thank you RS for being a reliable piece of engineering that never lets me down, so I can do store runs for junks like this. Mwah. Ah! Now I have to fucking cut it. Do you know how annoying this is? Fucking piece of trash. Was so rusted on or something because it's metal inside, whatever, that it didn't come off, so I legit had to fucking saw it off. Now I just need to fit the new one and I can go successfully kill myself after this one. Needs lube. Should have like shaken it a bit more, but gonna be good. See, perfect. And the brakes should be GG on one side and you just have to repeat it. Okay, that's it. Okay, so the brakes are finished. It's time to go on a test. Let's see. Oh yeah, the pedal feels different. Straight fucking away. Oops. I apologize. It's very much better. We'll just see how this is gonna go and be right back. So yeah, brakes are better, but still doesn't work the way I want it to work. Probably because of the rear brakes, or it's because of the master cylinder, as he said. Buy our new shirt. Also, we got shirts.
Pretty sick.
Yeah, pretty neat. So yeah, we'll probably have to change the rear ones as well, but not today, since tomorrow we are going to Wörthersee. This guy's cleaning the Skoda. Hopefully this junk will come as well. So yeah, I'll be back.